Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can record Cubase audio with OBS. For some reason the default settings in Cubase somehow bypass the Windows audio system, which means you can't record in OBS, but there is a way around it. What you're going to need to do is go to www.vb-audio.com/voice meter, and meter spelt with a double E. So M-E-E-T-E-R, and then you're going to want to download this software. The link is here. I'll put the link in the description as well. And basically what this does is it allows you to set two different inputs. So this is the software. In input 1 we set the microphone, and the Cubase audio should come in through here. But first what you need to do is go to your Cubase and then click Devices, then Device Setup, and change your ASIO driver. If you click on this VST audio system, you can change the ASIO driver here to Voice Meter Virtual ASIO. Just switch it over, click OK. And this allows the sound to then go through that second input on Voice Meter. So if I click play, you can see that we've got the microphone audio coming in through this input 1, and we've got the Cubase audio coming in here, and then you need to set A1 on this hardware out to whatever your interface is, and that's pretty much how you do it. If this video's helped in any way, then please click like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.